Hey everyone! Today, we're installing the 5-core 10-inch subwoofer, a beast with a 600-watt peak power and 4-ohm impedance. We'll also use its Thela small parameters to optimize performance. Let's dive in. First, check the specs. Fs, resonant frequency, 37 Hz, great for deep bass. VAS, enclosure volume, 15.1 liters, perfect for compact boxes. QTs, total Q factor, 0.987, ideal for ported or sealed enclosures. For best results, sealed box, tight, accurate bass. Aim for approximately 15 liters, matching VAS. Ported box, louder low end. Tune to 37 Hz FS for maximum output. Pro tip, use the QTs of 0.987. This sub works in both designs. This is a 4-ohm sub, Re equals 3.6 ohms. Wire it like this. Single sub, connect directly to amp. Dual subs, wire in parallel for 2 ohms or series for 8 ohms. Check amp compatibility. 1. Cut a 10-inch hole with 9 to 7/8 inch diameter. 2. Secure the sub with wood screws. Don't over-tighten. 3. Seal gaps with silicone to prevent air leaks. Set your amp's LPF to approximately 37 Hz FS. Adjust gain to avoid distortion. Listen for clean, punchy bass, not port noise or rattles. That's it. You've installed a 5-core subwoofer like a pro. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more DIY car audio videos. Drop questions below. See you next time.